a 14-year-old boy was arrested and charged for possession of assorted parts of a firearm and unauthorized possession of ammunition following an incident in Damhead, Steurtown, St. Anne on Wednesday, February 8. Reports are that at about 12:30 p.m., lawmen were on patrol in the area when they observed the accused putting an object in his waistband. He was accosted, searched, and found in possession of a sock containing one magazine with 9 9mm cartridges. He was subsequently arrested and charged. Under the new Firearms Prohibition and Restriction Act in Jamaica, the legislation imposes a minimum sentence of 15 years in prison for illegal possession of a firearm. An Indian businessman and his wife were found guilty of human trafficking in connection to an Indian man who was lured to Jamaica for a store manager's job but was also forced to carry out domestic work in the couple's house for 3 years. The couple is scheduled for sentencing on February 24. The victim, who was isolated from his friends and family and was not allowed to make phone calls while living with the couple, ended up trying to take his life in 2017 and eventually escaped and made a report to the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency in May 2019.